Have you ever watched a TV or movie show and sensed what would happen next, even in a well-told story? There's a fascinating explanation behind this phenomenon, and it pertains to the limited number of story archetypes used in Western cinema. Did you know that Western movies primarily rely on only 7 story archetypes? Yes, every movie, TV show, or book you've ever experienced. So, what's the solution to invigorating cinema? The answer lies in the rich tapestry of African storytelling. And in this video, we'll delve into why and how African narratives can be a game changer. During my research for this video, I discovered over 20 distinct African story archetypes, which I've outlined in a 2-part series that I will be sharing later on my platform. So make sure you're following for that. Pay attention. To begin, here are the 7 Western story archetypes with examples from popular works. Overcoming the monster. The protagonist confronts a menacing force, often evil, threatening them or their homeland. Think Beowulf. Where the hero sets out to vanquish the monstrous Grendel terrorizing the Danish kingdom. Rags to riches. The protagonist starts from humble beginnings and ascends to greatness, often involving acquiring power, wealth, or love, as in Cinderella, a mistreated stepdaughter becomes a princess through a magical transformation. The Quest. The protagonist and companions embark on a journey to obtain an essential item or reach a specific location, facing temptations and obstacles along the way. Examples include Star Wars: A New Hope and The Lord of the Rings. Voyage and Return. The protagonist explores a foreign land, overcomes its threats, and returns home with newfound wisdom, much like Alice in Wonderland. Comedy. A light-hearted, humorous story with misunderstandings that resolve to a joyful conclusion. Much Ado About Nothing by Shakespeare is a classic example. Tragedy. The protagonist's flaws lead to choices resulting in their downfall, as in Macbeth. Rebirth. An event compels the main character to change for the better, exemplified by A Christmas Carol, where Ebenezer Scrooge transforms from a miserly old man into a generous individual. These archetypes are prevalent in every film. Have you spotted these tropes in other films, TV shows, or books? State your observations in the comments, and for bonus points, name a film, TV show, and book fitting one of these Western archetypes. So, how does Africa fit into this narrative? When stories conform to these predefined Western archetypes, they can become repetitive. African storytelling tradition, rooted in oral tradition, offer a diverse and rich alternative. In Africa, stories are not merely for entertainment. They serve as lessons, moral guides, and reflections of society. African narratives encompass a wide spectrum, from ancestral guidance to the dance of fate. African stories go beyond entertainment, teaching wit, valor, ethics, and values. The trickster's tale, akin to Anansi's stories, imparts wisdom, while the hero's journey, as seen in Sundiata, an epic of Old Mali, emphasizes valor. Moreover, the moral dilemma, a common theme in African folktales, instills ethical values. So, to celebrate this rich storytelling tradition while making it accessible to modern audiences, I created a graphic novel called The Crusaders. This gripping narrative follows an African family on a quest to uncover their African heritage and reclaim stolen treasures. Drawing heavily from traditional African storytelling techniques, The Crusaders transcends the Western quest archetype to explore themes of cultural identity, morality, and the complexities of right and wrong, all set against the vibrant backdrop of Africa. Episode 1 of The Crusaders is available and linked to the video below, or you can visit thecrusadersunite.com to grab a copy. Be sure to choose the right Amazon site for your country to get free shipping, and come back to this video to share your thoughts.